Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to learn about stem and leaf plots. So this is 10.1, stem and leaf plots. Here we go. So what are you doing today? I'm going to teach you guys how to draw and analyze stem and leaf plots. Now first, what's a stem and leaf plot? This is just one way to show or organize data or a collection of numbers. Back when you were in 5th grade, you learned about bar graphs and you guys learned about pie charts. Today, I'm going to show you a different way to organize your numbers, and that's through stem and leaf plots, which is what you see in the middle right here. Now, let's take a look at example number 1. It says the stem and leaf plot shows people's ages in the movie theaters last night. What were all the ages of the people there? Okay, so this is my stem and leaf plot. So to kind of, start you guys off, the stem right here, it shows all of the tens place of a number. And the leaf right here represents all the ones place of a number. So if I were to read the stem and leaf plot, basically I can go, oh, okay, so right here, this is a 0 and this is a 5. So that means that a person there was 5 years old. The next person is 0 and then 7, that's 7 years old. Now we move down to the second row and we say, oh, okay, this is 1 and 1, so that's 11. 1 and 2, that's 12. 1 and 2, that's another 12. 1 and 2, that's another 12. And then we move on to the 20s. I see a 20-year-old, 20, that's 20. This is 24, 24. Is there anyone who's in their 30s? No, not really. I don't see anything. It's blank, right? We can move on over to the 40s. This is 41. This is 41, and this is 43. So let's analyze this a little bit. Who was the oldest person here? Oh, okay, so it was this 43-year-old. Who was the youngest person? Oh, it was this 5-year-old. It's very, very easy to read. So that's a stem and leaf plot. Okay, let's take a look at example number 2. Example number 2 says, make a stem and leaf plot of the ages of the people at McDonald's yesterday. So this time, instead of me giving you a stem and leaf plot and you analyzing it, you're going to draw one yourself, okay? So here are the people's ages. You have a 5-year-old, 6-year-old, 10, 10, 12, 25, and 31-year-old. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to draw a T-bar, and you can write down stem here, and you can write down leaf here. Remember, stem represents all the tens place, leaves are all the ones place. Okay, so I'm going to number my my stems from 0, 1, 2, and 3. Why did I stop at 3? It's because 3 is the highest, it's the highest number that you're going to have. So you see this 31-year-old right here? This is 31, right? 30, so I need to add a 3 here. And I start off at 0 because I have the single digits right here, the 5 and the 6. Okay, so let's write in the numbers for the leaves. The first age is 5, right? So I'm going to write down 5 right here, and then 6. Okay, let's take a look at the tens. I have a 10, 10, and 12. So that means I'm going to write a 0, 0, and a 2. So I'm going to write 0, 0, and a 2. For my 20-year-olds, I have 25-year-olds, so I'm going to write a 5 right here. And the last person, this is the oldest person there, 31. I'm going to write down a 1. Pretty easy. That's all you have to do. Very, very easy. Okay, so just to summarize, what's a stem and leaf plot? This is just one way to show or organize data or a collection of numbers. All right, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video.